Titan Van Service Department is your one-stop shop for all your adventure vehicle needs. At Titan Vans, we offer a wide range of services to ensure your rig is always in top condition. Our service team is always available to answer any questions you may have and offer expert advice on how to keep your vehicle adventure ready. Looking to upgrade your adventure van? We not only provide upgrades and service for our in-house Titan builds, but any camper van built within the last 10 years, including other van builders and DIY builds. We understand the importance of a smooth, comfortable ride when you're exploring the great outdoors in your camper van. That's why we offer top-of-the-line suspension upgrade services, utilizing industry-leading products from Van Compass and Agile Off-Road. Staying connected to the world is important, no matter where your journey takes you. At Titan Vans, we provide seamless and efficient installation of Starlink, ensuring you have access to high-speed internet on the go. In colder months, staying warm and cozy in your camper van is a top priority. That's why we offer professional heater repair and installation services, featuring the highly efficient Webasto heaters. Our experienced team is also equipped to diagnose and repair Webasto, S-Bar, Rixon's, and Timberline heaters, providing altitude adjustment and performing cleaning services to keep your heating system running smoothly. Want to add additional storage to the outside of your vehicle? With our carefully selected range of exterior storage options, you can free up valuable space inside your van while keeping your gear organized and easily accessible. From bike mounts to storage boxes, we've got you covered. At Titan Van Service Department, we strive to provide the highest quality service to our customers. Our team of experts is dedicated to ensuring your adventure vehicle is always ready for your next journey. From routine maintenance to custom upgrades, we have everything you need to make your vehicle uniquely yours. Come see us at Titan Vans and let us help make your adventure dreams a reality.